Here's our EDC pouch that you know and love. Now let's take a look at Matt's EDC pouch, where we've got a couple of new accessories that'll help you take your organization to the next level. Here you can see we've got two of our Velcro keepers. There's a single tier here and a double tier up top. Those are great for pins, cords, all kinds of accessories, and you got some different options on the sides. On the other side, you'll see our new EDC panel. We're really excited about this, so let's take a look at how you can break it down. Essentially, this works really well with one wrap, and it will come with about 2 feet of one wrap material, so you can customize how you carry items with it. You can see this is made with a couple layers, kind of got our triple run aesthetic going on with the liner high vis behind it. And like I was saying, you get about 2 feet of one wrap to make this your own. Cut this with a pair of scissors to work with whatever item you're needing to hold. Slide it through the slots and you're good to go. You can move them around so you're not married to any particular layout. It's really easy to kind of adjust this to your individual trip or day-to-day carry. There's also a pocket in the back that's great for a notebook or band-aids or other flat items. We've even got some small jump drives around the shop that fit in there really well. But when we say we're taking your EDC organization to the next level, we literally mean that. So behind the EDC panel is 2 patches of Velcro hook material. Obviously you can use that to attach it to the inside of the EDC pouch. However, we've got this half-height piece that we call the EDC Pocket. It is super slim, but it has 2 different layers of pockets. So we got some band-aids here, individual use first aid supplies. This happens to match up perfectly with the size of our keepers over here. So if you know Blue Ridge Overland Gear, you know that we love when things work together in a system. We never want one product to only work with one other product and that's it. It's just not how we roll. You can take your EDC Pocket and one of our Velcro keepers and drop those together. They match up to fit inside the bum bag to add additional organization options to that pouch as well. So it's really modular by nature and you can stack these however you see fit. Or you can load it up with thin things like Matt does and put it behind the bulkier items on the EDC panel. Everything still zips up in a nice, tight, and tidy package. That's the new EDC panel and the EDC Pocket from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. You can find these and all kinds of great ways to organize your stuff at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.